Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can send an invoice through Shopify. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm in my Shopify store dashboard, and from here, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go into orders. Once you're here, if you don't have a premium plan, as you can see, you do need to select one. However, we won't be needing it for this tutorial here. What you're going to want to do from here is you're going to want to click on drafts, and then you'll be able to either select a order that you already have, or you can create a draft order, which I'm going to be doing. Here you can just add a custom item. I'll just add whatever, it really doesn't matter, and just click add item, and that's going to add the item, add the subtotal, as well as the estimated tax and everything. And as you can see, now we have our order. Now once you do have your order, you can just easily click send invoice, and that's going to send invoice to whoever you want. As you can see, you need to send it to somebody, and you're going to send it to somebody's email. You can create a subject and name it whatever you want, and then you can create a custom message as well, and this will send an invoice through their email channels. Now, you can also allow customers to apply discount codes when paying the invoice if you want, but it really doesn't matter. But as you can see, that is pretty much it. Let me just delete this draft order since I don't really need it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.